Hi guys, put a rubber band on it, number 511, worked absolutely fine using those back wheels and those front wheels, but I've reprinted the axle brackets, whatever you want to call them, in yellow for two reasons. One, I just wanted to check my printer with the yellow filament because I've had trouble with the yellow filament in the past, but it looks like the trouble wasn't actually the filament, it was the hot end on the printer, because those have printed fine now that I've changed the hot end. The other reason for reprinting it was I wanted to try those wheels with those axles, and these ones I hadn't made the holes big enough for those axles. These are bicycle spoke axles, 2mm diameter. Those, I think they're knitting needles actually, and I think they're 3mm diameter, or 2.5 or 3. Whatever, they didn't fit through there. So, yellow, reprinted, same design, bigger holes, and it rolls backwards and forwards fine. I also found that that camera bracket that I printed for clipping onto a litter picker, one of those things with a clamp on the end that you squeeze the handle and it picks things up for you. That's what I printed that bracket for originally, but it happens to fit onto this fishing rod tube. So we'll run it up and down with a camera on it. We'll stick it facing forwards first so you can see it hitting the camera, and we'll also face it backwards so you can see me waving at you. So that's what we'll do. This is basically the same car as number 511, just reprinted so we can check the yellow filament. Oh, and those little wheels. I'll be running it on mainly a single strand of rubber so we can stretch it further. Well, you'll see when it runs. So that works. And the reason I was using the single strand of rubber was just to give it less power, because with the small wheels there's a better chance of them wheel spinning if you give them too much power, even though these ones are rubberized, so they've probably got good grip.